Hey everyone, I'm Sean Davis. Let's get started. Today I will be going over how to sign up with LiveGood as an affiliate. So, you'll go to livegood.com/Sean Davis, SeanDavis. And when you sign up as an affiliate, you'll have your own name, livegood.com/your username. So, premium supplements without the premium price tag. Scroll down. This is our world-class leadership team and the experts behind LiveGood. Our CEO, Ben Glinsky. The Director of Field Development, Norda Kazan. The Director of Product Education, Lisa Goodkin. And the Director of Product Development, Dr. Ryan Goodkin. Why we created LiveGood. We believed there had to be a better way, so we created LiveGood. A company built on a simple mission. Provide the highest quality supplements in the world at the lowest prices possible. Continue to scroll down. Highest quality, lowest prices every day. Experience the LiveGood difference. Scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Join over 2 million customers who have switched to LiveGood. Stop overpaying for supplements. Once you get to the bottom of the page, you see the affiliate compensation plan. You'll click right on there. Affiliate compensation plan. Scroll down, you see become an affiliate. You can click on that. But I'm going to show you how you can earn income in 7 ways as an affiliate really quickly. 1, weekly fast start commissions. 2, matrix commissions. 3, match-in bonuses. 4, retail commissions. 5, customer acquisition bonuses. 6, influencer bonuses. And 7, diamond and crown diamond bonus pools. Holy moly. Continue to scroll down. You can watch our compensation plan video to learn more. Continue to scroll down. You see become an affiliate. You'll click right on there. Become an affiliate. $40 one time. You see, go down, click on checkout. Clicked on checkout. You see the cart right there. Become an affiliate. $40 one time. Right over here to the right, you see checkout. You'll click right on checkout. Congratulations. Let's complete your order. You'll enter your info, your first name. Enter your first name right here. Last name, you'll enter your last name right here. Email, you'll enter your email right here. And for phone, you'll enter your phone number right here. Create your account. Please choose your username so that you can log in anytime you are ready to order more of our life-changing products. Your username, you'll enter your username right here. Password, you'll enter your password right here. And for confirmed password, you'll re-enter your password right here. Scroll down, shipping information. For country, you'll choose the country you are in. United States, China, Japan, Thailand, Vietnam, South Africa, wherever you are from, you'll put your country right there. For a name, you'll enter your full name right here. For street address, you will enter your street address right here. For city, you'll enter your city right here. And for state or province, you'll enter that right here. Then you'll enter your zip code right here. Scroll down. See the continue button, you'll click on continue. And then after that, you will see your payment. You'll enter your payment information. You'll pay $40 one time, the affiliate fee, to become an affiliate. And then you'll have to pay $9.95 a month. So that's $49.95 total to get started as an affiliate member. And then you'll pay just $9.95 a month to maintain your membership. That's really it. After enrolling, you'll receive access to your affiliate back office, referral links, marketing tools, and training. And you can share your affiliate link with people who may be interested in the products or the optional business opportunity. If someone joins through your link, you may be eligible for commissions under the compensation plan, subject to plan's rules and your activity. That's really it on how to sign up as an affiliate with LiveGood. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.